Food chain. A food chain is a succession of organisms in an ecological community that constitutes a continuation of food energy from one organism to another, as each consumes a lower member and in turn is preyed upon by a higher member. A food chain begins with a producer. Producers are eaten by primary consumers, herbivores, which are eaten by secondary consumers, carnivores, some of which may in turn be eaten by tertiary consumers, the top carnivore in the chain. Trophic levels. Each step in a food chain where transfer of food energy takes place is called trophic level. The first trophic level consists of producers. The second trophic level consists of primary consumers. The third trophic level consists of secondary consumers. The fourth trophic level consists of tertiary consumers. Since the transfer of food energy decreases at every trophic level, the number of trophic levels are limited and do not exceed 4 or 5. Trophic levels. Energy flow in trophic levels of a food chain. Green plants producers absorb about 1% of solar energy falling on the leaves and stores. During the transfer of food energy from one trophic level to the next, 90% of the energy is lost to the environment and only 10% is transferred to the next trophic level. So, there is a decrease in the amount of food energy transferred at every trophic level by 10%. This is known as the 10% law of energy transfer. Biomagnification. Harmful chemicals like insecticides and pesticides, which are used to protect crops from insects and pests, are absorbed by plants and enter the food chain. Since these chemicals are non-biodegradable, they get accumulated at every trophic level and their concentration increases. Since human beings occupy the highest trophic level, the concentration of these harmful chemicals is maximum in our bodies. The increase in concentration of harmful chemicals in the bodies of organisms at higher trophic levels is called biological magnification. Food web. The complex system of interrelated food chains in an environment is known as food web.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.